Hi! A slightly shorter video this time, rounding out our three-part mini-series on how to maximise your laundry category sales in a convenience store. If you haven't seen part 1, which is laundry detergents, and part 2, which is fabric conditioners, then you can see the links in the comments below. The laundry add-ons category is worth £100 million in the UK market. Now, whilst that's dwarfed by laundry detergents at 900 million and fabric conditioners at 430 million, it's still important to get it right in store. There are many shoppers who are loyal to particular products, and you can really grow your basket size and spend by getting them to buy across a full range. More than 60% of the category is stain removal, and Vanish is the #1 brand in the segment with more than 80% share. Now, Vanish is a trusted brand, and with its bright pink packaging it stands out on shelf and acts like a beacon to shoppers. There's quite a big range, so there are powders, liquids and sprays, and there are dedicated products for colours and for whites. The top SKU in the UK is Vanish Oxy Action 500ml spray, so that's the place to start for most retailers. Next comes Oxy Action powder, which comes in various sizes to suit different stores, and there's a price mark pack variant available for convenience. There's also a trade up to Vanish Gold, offering maximum stain busting capability for the consumer and helping you grow your basket size incrementally. Again, there's a price mark pack available for convenience stores. Next up is antibacterial laundry cleanser. Now, this used to be a fairly niche product, but then the pandemic struck and it suddenly became a must-have for shoppers all across the nation, to the point that it temporarily knocked Vanish off the top spot in the SKU rankings. Even as we move away from COVID restrictions, the 2.5 litre pack is still the #2 laundry add-on SKU in the UK market, and the 1 litre is #4 in independents. With stain busters and antibacterial cleansers making up the majority of the segment, you could be forgiven forgetting about other areas, but to do so would be to lose sales. Colour catchers are up next. Now, Dylon is the leading brand here, which is a brand that's more commonly known for its fabric dyes. Colour catchers are products that magically prevent colours from running in the wash, reducing your risk of white t-shirts taking on that embarrassingly obvious shade known affectionately as red sock left in wash. Alongside colour catchers, there are whiteners, or brighteners, which cleverly make your whitewashing a more vibrant shade of white. There's a bit of an overlap here with stain removers, particularly those aimed at white garments specifically, with many products claiming both stain removal and brighter whites. There are a number of brands that play in this area, particularly taking into account the crossover with stain removal, but Dr. Beckman is one that independent retailers should look out for. Finally, there's spray on starch for extra crisp collars and cuffs. The product most commonly found in the market is Dylon 300ml spray on starch. One final thing to mention. Following on from antibacterial cleansers, sort of, washing machine cleaners are important too. Now, these aren't quite so high up a convenience shopper's list, but it's worth knowing that they exist. There are several products available, each doing a slightly different job, from managing the build-up of limescale through to killing germs and tackling odours. The biggest brands are Calgon, Dettol and Dr. Beckman. Calgon tablets are used in every wash for ongoing cleanliness and have the added benefit of softening hard water. Dettol and Dr. Beckman, along with other brands, are used on a separate specific wash cycle as a one-off cleaning operation. So that's it, a quick roundup of the laundry add-ons market. As I said, you can click on the links below in the comments for parts 1 and parts 2 of this mini-series to really complete your knowledge on how you can maximise sales of the laundry category in a convenience store. It's a valuable category, it'll help you drive shopper loyalty, and it'll help you grow basket spend, especially if you can convince shoppers to trade up and buy across the whole laundry range.